parallelogram law of vectors. Okay? In the parallelogram law of vectors, parallelogram means opposite sides are equal. Here I take two vectors. Look here. This is the p bar. This is the p bar. This is the q bar. Look the diagram now. Here I take two vectors represented by the sides of the parallelogram. This is also p bar now. Look the diagram. Opposite sides are equal. This is p bar. This is also p bar now. Look the diagram. Okay? This is the p bar. This is also p bar. This is the q bar. This is also q bar. Parallelogram means opposite sides are equal. Okay? Vectors none. P bar, q bar represented by the sides of the parallelogram drawn from a point O. P bar write as O to A, Q bar write as O to B. Okay? Look here. We know that vector addition. First vector final, second vector initial. Look here. First vector final, second vector initial. Both are coincide. Then these two vectors are added. Look here. Now once again, first vector final, second vector initial coincide. Then these two vectors are added. This is the shortest path P to Q. Because this chapter is vectors. Displacement means shortest distance between initial position and final position. Here two vectors are added. Resultant vector denoted by R bar, P bar plus Q bar. Okay? Look the diagram. Here, this is the first vector. This is the second vector. First vector final, second vector initial coincide. These two vectors also add. Here to here, resultant denoted by R bar. R bar equal to Q bar plus P bar. According to diagram, R bar means P bar plus Q bar. This R bar means Q bar plus P bar. Simply R bar equal to P bar plus Q bar equal to Q bar plus P bar. Okay? Simply P bar plus Q bar equal to Q bar plus P bar. That means vector addition follows commutative law. Once again I repeat, what is the commutative law? P bar plus Q bar equal to Q bar plus P bar. Simply vector addition follows commutative law. Follows commutative law. Nana, this is very important for the IP purpose. What is the statement? Look here once again. P bar, Q bar represented sides of the parallelogram drawn from point O. Resultant represented diagonal of the parallelogram drawn from same point. Once again, parallelogram statement. Two vectors p bar comma q bar represented sides of the parallelogram drawn from point O. Resultant also represented by the diagonal and between the two vectors. Once again I repeat, Gauss commutative law. Okay, Nana? Next, Nana, look here. According to diagram, Nana, O A bar write as P bar. Parallelogram means opposite sides are equal. OA bar equal to P bar, BC bar equal to P bar. Next now, look here. OB bar equal to Q bar. Similarly, AC bar also Q bar. Look the diagram. OB bar, AC bar. OC bar equal to R bar. Okay? Look the diagram. Here, theta is according to diagram. Theta is angle between. Look the diagram. P bar and Q bar. Look the diagram. What is the theta? Angle between P bar and Q bar. Mari, here look the diagram. Look the diagram. Alpha. This is the alpha. Alpha is angle between resultant vector and P bar. Look the diagram. Angle between two vectors P bar and Q bar is the theta. Angle between R bar and P bar alpha. Resultant vector. Look here, Nana. We calculate now. Very important. This formula is very useful for not only this chapter, for 2 years. This is very useful formula, Nana. Magnitude of resultant vector. Look here, Nana. Magnitude of resultant vector. Look here. Okay? Here, this can be calculated in this manner. Look the diagram. Here, OA is extended and perpendicular line drawn from C onto D. Look here, Nana. Look here. Look the diagram, Nana. OA is extended. Perpendicular line is drawn from C onto D. Once again, here OA extended and perpendicular line drawn from C onto D. Look the diagram, Nana. C onto D. Look the diagram. Okay, look the diagram. This is the big right angle triangle. OCD. Look here. The big right angle triangle is OCD. Okay. Another right angle, a small right angle triangle is ACD. Look the diagram. A big right angle triangle name, once again, OCD. A small right angle triangle, ACD. Okay? Look here, Nana. a small right angle triangle name ACD. Any problem? Look here. In the small right angle triangle, ACD, right angle triangle can see Pythagoras theorem applicable. What is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. In the diagram, hypotenuse is within AC square. One side is AD square. Another side is CD square. What is the theorem applicable? Right angle. Look here, Nana. All of you look here. In the triangle, the big triangle name, Nana. Look the diagram. O C D A. Look the diagram. In the big right angle triangle, hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Okay? What is the hypotenuse square? OC whole square equal to, okay? One side is OD. Look here, OD square. Okay? Plus, tell me, CD whole square. Any problem? Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. OD right dash OA plus AD. Okay? Look here. OC whole square equal to OD right dash OA plus AD whole square plus CD whole square. Okay? Here in the denominator, you look here. Small triangle can be taken, a big triangle can be taken. Okay, Sriram? Okay na? Mari ఇప్పుడు నాకు మీకు అప్లై చేయడం వచ్చు కదా. లుక్ హియర్ నేను ఇప్పుడు నాకున్న డౌట్. లుక్ హియర్, లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ OC whole square equal to A plus B whole square formula. A square plus B square. A plus B whole square right hand. A square plus B square plus 2AB. Simply OAAD plus CD square. Any problem? Look the diagram. A plus B whole square right hand in the mathematics. A square plus B square plus 2AB. But equation 1, look the equation 1. AD square plus CD square replace right as what? AC square. Simply look the diagram. OC square equal to OA square plus, look here, AD square plus CD square right as AC square. Nana, these two terms replace, write only one term, that is AC square plus 2 OA AD. Okay? Look here now. Here in the diagram, what is the length of the OC? I substitute. According to diagram, what is the OC value? OC value, not bar BK. OC value RO. According to diagram, OA value, OC value R. OA value P. Nana, here to determine what? Magnitude. That means bar can be removed. because to find scalar AC value A to C value Q bar AC value Q. Here last term AD value from the diagram. Look here Nana, AD value, look here Nana, here the angle between P and Q enta theta. This is extension of OA, this is extension of P bar. Simply this is P bar, this is Q bar. Angle between P bar and Q bar theta. Okay, this Q makes an angle theta. This component is Q cos theta. This component is Q sin theta. We know that Nana Q is xy plane, is resolved into two components. Theta says cos theta, remaining is sin theta. Simply AD write as Q cos theta according to resolution of vectors. Any doubt? To see resolution of vectors, here all values substitute. OC value R square, OCR R square, OA value P square, AC value Q square plus 2, OA value P, AD value Q cos theta. What is the final formula? R equal to square other side. What happens? Root. R equal to under root P square plus Q square plus 2P Q cos theta. This is the formula for magnitude of resultant. What is the formula for magnitude of resultant? Under root P square plus Q square plus 2PQ cos theta. This is R is called magnitude of resultant. The formula is under root P square plus Q square plus 2Q. Next subheading Nana, direction of